Hello children, now you are watching the ninth video of the chapter Conditional and Iterative Statements. Slowly we are moving on to the depth of this particular language, that is Python. The two programs which I showed you in the last video, if you are not sure, you have to write and see that. That means I will show you one example after the two videos or two programs which I am going to present in this video. Okay, now this is with strings because two programs we did with your range and these two programs with your sequential style in your for loop. Let's move on to that, then I can show you that. Okay. Here it is, your vowels. You remember our vowels program which we did without this loop. This time I am having a string in my hand. I am asking to enter a string. See? And this one is to find the how many vowels are there. See? You are adding that. Along with that, if you want, you can print vowels too. See? Let me just make it indentation free. You can see a lot of small changes which has happened, isn't it? Print ch. Okay, I'll explain now. Here goes. So you are going to find the number of vowels in this particular string text. So text is entered, vowel equal to 0. Why? Because I wanted to add the number of vowels. Remember I told no, whenever you wanted to keep on adding something into a variable, you have to initialize or assign that variable to 0. So vowel is assigned to 0. So vowel is a counter here which will now find the number of vowels in the text. The loop starts here ch in text. So ch is a variable which can extract one by characters inside text. So text will be holding anything. Say example sacred. So SACRED will be shown one by one ch. First time S is taken. If S in AIOU, S is not in all these things, so vowel is not counted. Nothing will happen here. Loop will go back, the next iteration starts and ch will get from sacred heart, not sacred heart, sacred. A will come and A is in AIOU. See the way I have given, not the usual way of the procedure which we saw in the other one. This is an easy method because I want to show you like this. So I don't know whether anybody has done like this and I have given wrong in that answer sheet. That time I wanted you people to try out with equal to equal to. You get well versed in that. That is also possible, and this is also possible. But see the way it is given, every value both in caps and in small letter has to be there. Here also, if you want, you can check with the if condition. That is, if it is in the range that we can see afterwards. Now let's complete this. So ch in text and a is going to be a vowel. So vowel equal to vowel plus equal to 1 is actually an adding. So vowel equal to 0, that 0 plus 1, 1 will be added. Then again that will be printed also. From sacred heart, C is taken into consideration. C is not a vowel, so nothing will happen. C, R will come. R will not be a vowel, so nothing will come. E will come and E is a vowel. So automatically your CH in AIOU will satisfy and you will have vowel plus 1. So already 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 you will get 2. And that's it. In sacred heart you don't have more than that and it will get over. So you will get AE printed and vowels as 2. Let's see whether we are writing the saying the correct thing or not. Let's print sacred itself. See, A is printed and number of vowels are 2. So 2 plus. Again, if I am typing something else, say for example, yes, correct. Computer, let's type computer and Python. Anything you type here in that way, it will come. See, number of vowels are 5. So it counted. So this is how it is done. So I was telling about the other thing where you can check whether this happens. Like, sorry. That can be done here only when you get the strings value properly, because we assume that string will be only getting alphabets, so range value may not be checked over here. Remember the range, this one, that cannot be checked here. This one you cannot put text a greater than or equal to a because text is not a single character. So that range of checking cannot be done, but there are options to check whether the values in text is alphabet or not, but that afterwards. Okay, so this is clear. To count the number of vowels like that, if you want, you can count the number of consonants or anything like that, not n. If you give dot in, automatically you can change this non-vowels are like that, anything. This time same thing I'm going to enter. Okay, so you can check any of this kind if you want. You can also just give a try here. Let's not manipulate this, but still. Anywhere. Only one character I'm checking. That also can be done. I didn't change anything, so it will come as a number of non-vowels only. See? Understood. So I can check with ease in equal to anything. Let's go back to what we were talking. This was the one. Let's back in the business. Okay. So this programs helps you to extract this way. You can check out any other program when I'm giving assignments to you. Now comes the next one where we have one more program with your for loop. And that's here. Okay. I will show you what is happening and then you should tell me what I have done. Okay, text. Okay, I have inputted a string and I have already assigned and kept new text equal to just simple quotes. I mean no space. Okay, just simply I have given like that, no space in between that or inside the quotes. For ch in text, what is happening? Each time one by value is coming. So the first value will come. Imagine if the value which is given in this text is exam. So the first value will come as e. E will get added to this. Which one? New text. Because when I'm giving ch, which is of course right now having that particular exam, and you're adding new text like this, it will be adding in the first place. E will come. So e got added. Okay. After that, the next value is x, isn't it? Now x will not go in front of e. It will go behind e. For example, let me show you what I have done. So you will know what I am going to talk, because if I am explaining a lot, you won't be understanding. Okay, exam I told, isn't it? So the value in text is exam. First time the value added to, I'll show you that like this way, 1 minute. The program and the first time the value added to ch or the given to ch is e, and new text was assigned with single quotes. New text equal to ch plus new text. So what will happen? E plus that quotes. So e gets stored in your new text. So when I am printing new text, e will come. Okay. After that, the next value will iterate and exams x will come. Now exam x you already have in ch x only plus new text. So see what is happening here. That is added in front of the new text. So new text was having e and that is added to the front, and automatically you are getting added to the reverse style. So you might have already guessed now, but still I have to explain completely. What is the next value? A. EXA. A is here in CH and that is added with new text. New text is already having XC. So X is added, not in front, behind. This is how it is happening. And the last value is M, and MAXC will come in new text. So what did I do? I reversed a string. There are so many ways to reverse a string, I should tell you, in Python. This is the most easiest way. When we learn new things or new ideas will come into your mind, or new logic will come into your mind. But this methodology, when we do, I'll show you something else here. You have to give new text plus ch. Okay. Now the same thing. Okay. You understood the difference? It's going to give you the same value. Exam. What happened this time? New text was having that double quotes, that single quote, sorry, plus ch. So e will get stored. Now again the next time, what is e plus x? E plus x you will get ex stored. Then a will come. So exa. Then m will come. Exa. If only if you do that the way I had written, And see, remember this plus is now not adding, it is actually concatenating. Only if you do this way, it will be showing the answer in the way we want it. So two videos, I mean two text, for loop with your strings. So I hope it is clear to you. Now there is something which you have to do and understand if you have a doubt in doing all these things. For example, let's take the same program itself. I am going to just create a note of how I will learn. Okay, so the program was this one. Remember the program was this program. Okay, so I still have no idea what my teacher told, because my teacher explained everything, but I can't understand. I'm not able to grasp it properly. So how will I do? Okay, I will write and keep in my notebook text equal to example should be there. See, from the first example was exam, that also fine, but this time let's make it a secret. Okay, that is stored. Now for CH. So first time what is happening in CH? CH is getting S. Which S? This S. 1 minute, I'm sorry. Yes, this S. This S of secretary. It's in quotes only. If you are not giving quotes, you might get confused. So that is why I'm giving like, this way. So after that, new text. New text is already having that quotes. So new text is equal to that plus, see, CH plus, I'm sorry. So S plus that quotes. So you will get S itself. Again new text equal to, already S is there, no? What is the next one coming? Yes. So you have A. How come A came? Because the next value on CH is A. So you can write, if you want, CH equal to A. And then new text is equal to A plus, already that is S is there. If you want, you can put S. So reverse. Okay, now AS is wrote. Now again the next value of CH equal to C, and new text like that. We call this as what we call as iteration chart or dry run chart, which will help you sequentially in the notebook to understand what is happening in the loop. So C plus, already AS is there. Now you have CAS stored, correct? Now again CH equal to the new value SAC got inputted SAC. Now it is R, correct? So I am writing and learning. It is a time consuming process, no doubt, but if you do like this, it will be easy for you to understand. And the new value is, I should be writing here, RCAS. Now the next value in CH equal to Sacred Heart RE, correct? New text already you have. So how the adding took place is now explained to you in this one. Okay, now already you have E plus, I didn't put the codes for CAS. If you want, you can put CAS codes and all. Nothing wrong in putting it. Even if you're not putting this is for your own purpose, so you can write it by yourself. Now Sacred's last one, CH equal to D, new text equal to D plus ERCAS, and the final value comes here reversed. This is dry run chart. So since I showed you this, you can try this by this one and then get ready, because in your Zoom, in your Google Classroom, I will be actually asking you to produce the dry run charts of other things. Not in the morning, don't worry, in the evening. Morning I will show you one of this kind, and then we will be explaining that. And in the coming videos also, that is with while loop, the other loop in your Python, I will be showing this dry run chart or iteration chart. That is manually how the chart or how the iteration is working will be depicted like this one by one. Definitely it is going to be time consuming, but when you are ready to understand that, or if you have the willpower to understand that in this way, then you're getting the grip of it. So thank you very much. I'm putting a stop to this video.